Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Baha, one same, please.
I rise to join hand with the leader of the House, leader of opposition, the Chief Minister, and other minister and colleague in condolence to the demise of late Shri S.K. Sunn, the Honorable Member of the 10th Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya. It is very sad to learn on the evening of the 10th of September 2021 that Baha S.K. Sunn is no more. It's really shocking to each and every one of us who is like a father figure to me personally by age. I remember whenever he entered in this house in this last 3.5 years, whenever he reached here, he will wish good morning. He will put his hand in my shoulder and smile. He is a very good leader by heart. He is very prompt in any issues. He is very specific in any issues. He is very sincere to the call of his duty. He is the person that he will be remembered forever for his legacy that he has left upon us within this august house. He is the people's MLS. We have seen on the days of his funeral the love and affection by the people of 24th Mauplang constituency, where they are crying and they show their love and affection and support for the leaders whom they have elected. It is a loss for the family of Shri late S.K. Sunn. It is a loss for the electorate of the 24th Mauplang constituency. It is a loss for the UDP as an associate member. It is a loss for the Sengkasi. It is a loss for the Shillong Sports Association. It is a loss for the true prominent football club of Shillong. It is a loss for the state as a whole that we have lost a great person who have contributed so much through this august house. We hope that more leaders the state will produce, even though we have lost 5 honorable members in the span of 3.5 years, right from late Shri Clement Marat, late Dr. Nongpoh Roy, late David Nongrum, late Dr. Azad Zaman, and now late Shri S.K. Sunn. This vacuum that has left between all of us, it will be filled, and we hope that his legacy will be carried in future. I convey my deepest condolences to the family members, which include his wife, children, brothers and sisters, and all. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, sir.
Ya virus ru tieng, ya ketika ru tieng. Sakat nuken ini empunya. Ai ketika COVID kat kendai. Kanoy kun persya ya kini ke kelam.